In this video, I will show you how to connect a Thrustmaster T150 to PC. So there are 5 basic steps. First, the physical connection. So plug the wheel's USB cable into a USB 2.0 or 3.0 port on your PC. And then for the power supply, connect the power adapter to the wheel and an electric outlet. Then the second step is the automatic driver installation, which for Windows 10 and 11 should automatically install, so it should install drivers when the wheel is detected, and from there wait for the device connected notification. Then from there you have the manual driver installation if needed, so download the Thrustmaster T150 drivers and run the installer and follow the prompts. Then the fourth step is the calibration, so the Windows game controller setup. So press the Windows plus R and then type joy.cpl and hit enter. Then select Thrustmaster T150 and click Properties. Now rotate the wheel fully left or right and press pedals to test inputs. Then to configure in racing games, just launch the game that you want to use it in and go to Controls or Input Settings and select Thrustmaster T150 as the device and adjust your force feedback strength in the game or via the Thrustmaster software. Then some basic troubleshooting. If the wheel is not detected, try a different USB port and avoid hops, and reinstall the drivers or update Windows. If there is no force feedback, ensure the power adapter is plugged in and check your game settings, for example enable FFB. And finally, if the pedals are not working, just verify the connections, so make sure the pedals are connected to the wheelbase and recalibrate in joy.cpl. So now you know how to connect the Thrustmaster T150 to PC. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.